Question 1. Which one of the following describes a system of agriculture where a single crop is grown on a large area? A. Shifting agriculture. B. Plantation agriculture. C. Horticulture. D. Shifting agriculture. Answer: B. Plantation agriculture. Question 2. Which of the following is not correct about plantation farming? A. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. B. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. C. Plantations cover large tracts of land called estates. D. Farmers clear a patch of land by felling trees and burning them, to produce cereals and other food crops. Answer: D. Farmers clear a patch of land by felling trees and burning them, to produce cereals and other food crops. Question 3. Which one of the following is a Rabi crop? A. Rice. B. Gram. C. Millets. D. Cotton. Answer: B. Gram. Before we move further, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new lessons and MCQs. If you like the content we make, please like the video by giving it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and classmates. Question 4. Which of the following are plantation crops? A. Rice and maize. B. Wheat and pulses. C. Tea, coffee, banana, and sugarcane. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Tea, coffee, banana, and sugarcane. Question 5. The three major cropping seasons of India are: A. AUS, Aman, and Burrow. B. Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. C. Baisakh, Paus, and Chait. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Question 6. Which one of the following is announced by the government in support of a crop? A. Maximum support price. B. Minimum support price. C. Moderate support price. D. Influential support price. Answer: B. Minimum support price. Question 7. Rabi crops are: A. Sown in winter and harvested in summer. B. Sown during rainy season and harvested in winter. C. Sown in summer and harvested in winter. D. None of the above. Answer: A. Sown in winter and harvested in summer. Question 8. Kharif crops are grown: A. With the onset of monsoon and harvested in September-October. B. With the onset of winter and harvested in summer. C. With onset of autumn and harvested in summer. D. None of the above. Answer: A. With the onset of monsoon and harvested in September-October. Question 9. The main food crop of Kharif season is: A. Mustard. B. Pulses. C. Rice. D. Wheat. Answer: C. Rice. Question 10. The main food crop of Rabi season is: A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Maize. D. Jowar. Answer: A. Wheat. Question 11. A short season between the Rabi and Kharif season is known as: A. AUS. B. Burrow. C. Zaid. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Zaid. Question 12. Important non-food crops of our country are: A. Tea and coffee. B. Millets and pulses. C. Cotton and jute. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Cotton and jute. Question 13. Which is the main food crop of the eastern and southern part of the country? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Maize. D. Sugarcane. Answer: A. Rice. Question 14. The two main wheat growing regions are: A. The Ganga-Sutlej Plains and the Deccan Trap. B. Northeastern part and eastern coastal plains. C. Deccan Plateau and Konkan Coast. D. None of the above. Answer: A. The Ganga-Sutlej Plains and the Deccan Trap. Question 15. Wheat requires annual rainfall between: A. 50 and 75 centimeters. B. About 200 centimeters. C. 200 and 300 centimeters. D. Less than 20 centimeters. Answer: A. 50 and 75 centimeters. Question 16. The third most important food crop of our country is: A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Jowar. D. Rabi. Answer, C. Jowar. Question 17. Which state is the largest producer of bajra? A. Rajasthan. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Haryana. Answer, A. Rajasthan. Question 18. Which is the right condition for the growth of maize? A. Temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius in old alluvial soil. B. Temperature below 17 degrees Celsius in shallow black soil. C. Temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and 200 centimeters of rainfall. D. None of the above. Answer, A. Temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius in old alluvial soil. Question 19. Which of the following crops is a major source of protein in a vegetarian diet? A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Pulses. D. Oilseeds. Answer, C. Pulses. Question 20. Which one of the following is not true for pulses? A. Pulses are grown in both Rabi and Kharif season. B. Pulses are leguminous crops. C. They are grown in rotation with other crops. D. Pulses require intensive irrigation facilities. Answer, D. Pulses require intensive irrigation facilities. Question 21. Which is the ideal condition for the growth of sugarcane? A. Temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeters and 100 centimeters. B. Temperature below 17 degrees Celsius and 50 to 75 centimeters rainfall. C. Temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and 200 centimeters of rainfall. D. None of the above. Answer, A. Temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeters and 100 centimeters. Question 22. What percentage of our cropped area is covered by oilseeds? A. 21%. B. 12%. C. 2%. D. 4%. Answer, B. 12%. Question 23. Which of the following conditions can spoil tea crop? A. Frequent showers evenly distributed over the year. B. Frost-free climate. C. Deep fertile well-drained soil. D. Clayey soil which has high water holding capacity. Answer, D. Clayey soil which has high water holding capacity. Question 24. Coffee cultivation was first introduced in A. Himalayas. B. Aravalli Hills. C. Garo Hills. D. Baba Budan Hills. Answer, D. Baba Budan Hills. Question 25. Which of the following crops is an important raw material for automobile industry? A. Pulses. B. Ragi. C. Rubber. D. None of the above. Answer, C. Rubber. Question 26. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as A. Sericulture. B. Aquaculture. C. Apiculture. D. Pisciculture. Answer, A. Sericulture. Question 27. Which of the following is known as golden fiber? A. Cotton. B. Jute. C. Hemp. D. Silk. Answer, B. Jute. Question 28. Third most important food crop of India is A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Maize. D. Jowar. Answer, D. Jowar. Question 29. Primitive subsistence farming is also known as A. Mixed farming. B. Cooperative farming. C. Slash and burn agriculture. D. Commercial farming. Answer, C. Slash and burn agriculture. Question 30. Plantation agriculture is a type of A. Subsistence farming. B. Commercial farming. C. Mixed farming. D. None of the above. Answer, B. Commercial farming. Question 31. Which one of the following is not the example of plantation crop? A. Wheat. B. Banana. C. Tea. D. Rubber. Answer, A. Wheat. Question 32. Cropping season from November to May is called A. Kharif. B. Rabi. C. Zaid. D. None of the above. Answer, B. Rabi. Question 33. Which of the following crop is rich in proteins? A. Millets. B. Pulses. C. Jowar. D. Maize. Answer, B. Pulses. Question 34. Which one of the following is not a kharif crop? A. Rice. B. Millets. C. Wheat. D. Maize. Answer, C. Wheat. Question 35. The rearing of silkworms for production of silk fiber is called A. Interculture. B. Sericulture. C. Horticulture. D. Pisciculture. Answer, B. Sericulture. Question 36. The revolution in which production of oil seeds has increased tremendously is termed as A. Blue. B. Green. C. Yellow. D. White. Answer, C. Yellow. Question 37. The system of agriculture where a single crop is grown on a large area is termed A. Shifting agriculture. B. Horticulture. C. Intensive agriculture. D. Plantation agriculture. Answer, D. Plantation agriculture. Question 38. Which one of the following fiber is grown on black soil? A. Cotton. B. Jute. C. Silk. D. Wool. Answer, A. Cotton. Question 39. Which one of the following is a coarse grain? A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Maize. D. Millets. Answer, D. Millets. Question 40. The place of India in respect to rice cultivation is A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Answer, B. Second. Question 41. Which one of the following is a leguminous crop? Textbook. A. Pulses. B. Jowar. C. Millets. D. Sesamum. Answer, A. Pulses. Question 42. Which one of the following is announced by the government in support of a crop? Textbook. A. Maximum support price. B. Minimum support price. C. Moderate support price. D. Influential support price. Answer, B. Minimum support price. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new lessons and MCQs. If you like the content we make, please like the video by giving it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and classmates.